The secret that you didn't know about Adobe Stock could be a harmful one. And let me put things into perspective. If there was a business that you could start where you had to put almost no mental effort into and almost no manual effort into, and somehow, some way you started to make money from that business, would you call it a business or would you call it a money printing machine? Now, let's just say that money printing machine printed at slow rates. Nothing crazy, nothing like thousands of dollars a day. But the more you utilize that machine, once again, with no effort at all, for the most part, and let's just say that, like I said, money printing machine slowly prints money. Not fast, but slowly, right? Maybe in the first week, it takes you a little while, you make $1. Maybe after the first month, you make $20, $40, $60. Once again, just depends how much you utilize it. And maybe after 5-6 months, you make a few $100s, a few $1,000s. Once again, depending on how much you utilize it. What would you call that? And really, what is it enforcing? See, I teach people, or I have taught, how to make money through Adobe Stock. This is very clear. And basically what it is really what we utilize is AI. It's not just Adobe Stock that matters, but it's any stock photography site that allows AI images to be created. We simply create the images using AI. We don't put effort into creating them. The AI then creates the images. Then we go ahead and pass the AI, the images to the AI again, and that same AI will figure out a way to title and tag these images and post them on a site, and over time, these images will make you money. Now, once again, it won't make you filthy rich. It won't even make you wealthy, but it will make you money. There's no question about that. Then the question is, what is that enforcing? The one problem about Adobe Stock and all other stock photography sites where you're allowed to upload AI images is that really it's enforcing negative behavior. And what does that really mean? It's teaching you that it's okay to run a business that's completely AI automated, really the lazy way. Businesses that actually took effort back in the day, you can now run in a period of minutes, have more output, but have less effort and still make money. Think about how odd that is. That would have never happened years ago. And what happens is people who might have had zero success in any other business in their life start an Adobe Stock business, and then they're crippled for the rest of their life. They're spoiled. Think about what being spoiled means, right? Think of like some rich kid born to a trust fund family. That kid grows up with all kinds of access to money, expensive cars, first class living in every single way. And then when that person gets older, when they go out there and make money for themselves, of course, they haven't really acquired any real skills. So they're making small amounts of money and they don't see a value in the money that they're making. Well, essentially, that's what everyone here is. Everyone who uses this kind of business model is really like a spoiled child. And that's not an insult, but that's just a reality. There's no other business on the planet that you can have almost zero effort in and make money. I mean, you can make the argument, let's talk about like starting a YouTube channel and going viral. And, you make all hundreds of thousands of dollars overnight because you went viral. Well, that one still took effort. You still had to make some sort of video. You still had to sit in front of a camera. You still had to record something. What I'm really getting at here is not to insult anybody because I have no intention of doing that. But what I'm really trying to say is I'm trying to illuminate the fact that people who get into Adobe Stock as their first business might actually have a problem in their futures when they try to start other businesses because they're not used to challenge. They're not used to hard work. They're not used to doing things that are difficult. They're in fact used to making some sort of money fast and easy. To put things into perspective, I'll give you an example. If you guys are familiar with Zazzle.com, it's a website where you can upload designs and make money. I worked on that website for 3 months, literally almost 90 days, before I made any money whatsoever, a single penny even. Think about that. So I had to work for 3 months. I had to learn the system, learn how to make things happen, learn how to do all the things on that website, and actually do it effective enough to the degree where I actually get paid for it. And at the time, there was nobody really talking about Zazzle. The only people who were really talking about it are like these two people on YouTube. I think it's like a mother and daughter combination, like duo for a YouTube channel. And they charge something like 10 grand for a course, which to me just doesn't make sense. So that's my point. My point is that that's one example of where I had to actually try hard to achieve something. Let's look at the very first business I ever created, which was buying custom-made clothing overseas, fitness clothing, shipping them to me, and selling them. Well, before I ever even sold a piece of clothing, I worked for about 2 years and a half learning things like SEO, website building, graphic design, hiring photographers, doing all these kind of things, and making no money, trying to figure it out. But think about what that kind of does to your psychology. Even if you make $1 or $2, what is that doing to your psychology where you put no effort in? I'm making this video not to insult, like I said, but I want to shed light on the fact that people have to be accustomed to hard work, or else they're going to be in a position where forever in their life they caught a quick moment, they caught something that was easy, and they'll never make money again. I am not against Adobe Stock. I teach Adobe Stock. I teach you how to make money with it. The Superstock AI course, our members area. All these different things. I show how to do it. But the only problem is what that's doing to your mental mind, your psychology, your frame of thought, your paradigm, if you will. If you sit here and believe that all businesses are easy to run, you're highly mistaken. It's going to be extremely difficult to run businesses in the future. Not only is it going to be from a competition standpoint, but in general, the world is difficult. I can't name you one thing in the world that's easy to do. Anything that has value, right, is difficult. From weight loss to sitting down and studying for a college exam, for example, or getting up and, going to work on time every day, that's difficult. Everything is difficult in life. But sometimes, like I said, you find these little cheat codes along the way. Literally, sometimes you get these blessings, these gifts. And I don't want to be the guy that shows people how to make money from this very easy system, but never talks about the reality. Self-development and mental programming is one of the most important things when it comes down to business success. The reason why I made some money when I was a little bit younger and didn't blow it all mentally is because I had somebody teaching me the right things to do, which was my dad. He said, don't spend your money on this, don't do that, don't do this, don't do that. If it was up to me, I would have blown all my money. I would have, acted like a fool and did some stupid things. And then I would have had to start all the way at ground zero. When I was building my various different businesses, I learned from the greats. I heard people like Elon Musk speak, and they said that, they figured that if they work more hours, then they're beating their competition. They'll eventually catch up to the people who started before them and then surpass them. These were the lessons that I learned, which was all things about hard work, difficulty. In fact, difficulty was something that you would expect. It wasn't something that you would necessarily welcome in. It was there. It was going to face you at all, or you're going to face difficulty at all times. But now, like I said, because of this glitch in the matrix, if you will, type business, we have a short window of opportunity to be able to make some money and run. That's all this is. For everybody listening, if you're currently uploading to Adobe Stock, this is a glitch in the matrix. This is literally a glitch in the matrix. You are selling images created by AI, right? And those images created by AI, whether they be images or videos, you didn't sit down and create them. A machine created them. And that same machine will take that image, classify it, attribute keywords to it, and publish effectively these images for you. That's not a business. That's a money printing machine. And I say that hyperbolically, obviously, because let's be honest, we're not the Federal Reserve. We can't print money, but you get my point. Right? And the reason why I'm saying this all is, like I said, because I want you to understand your mental programming. You need to look at this business like it's a small window of opportunity. I've had people in my comments a year ago, a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, right? Who saw all my Adobe Stock videos, saw all my stock photography videos, but never started the business. And then they come a year or two later down the road, and then they attempt to start. Those are people who are handicapped from the start because they think that good opportunities are waiting for them. This is what I mean when I say mental programming. In the same note, people who make money off of this business and they don't understand what kind of wealth they're sitting on, they have to realize that this is, like I said, for a short period of time. You're sitting on basically a glitch, something that will not last forever. You see what I'm saying? And the reason why I say it will not last forever is because you have to think about the cost. It's increasingly cheaper to use AI, and day by day, year by year, it will effectively almost be for free, at least for certain points. Not all AI, but certain points. This is why the world is going to become a very difficult place in the future. If everybody has access to high-quality tools like AI, the world becomes much more competitive, and all the people who are good, mediocre, or even beginners are shunned out of the equation, which makes up about 99% of people. And if you want to be generous, then 95% of people. But most people are going to be shunned out of any opportunity. These are the last few years where we can really actually take advantage of some stuff here. And when I say take advantage of some stuff, I'm not ruling out all businesses. If you start today to become, let's just say, a YouTuber, and you start vlogging your life, and maybe you have a really interesting life that people want to pay attention to. Maybe you're a rock climber or something, professional rock climber, and you're taking people on different mountains and hikes and all kinds of things. That's something people are going to tune into. You can make money off of that, right? And that's very unique. But the reality is that right now is where the window is shutting. It is closing. And not to say that Adobe Stock is coming to an end right now. No. It could be 5 years from now. It could be 3 years from now. Who really knows? The point is that everything is coming to an end. Everything you once knew, everything that once came easy to you is coming to an end. Now, speaking of my members area, there's actually 2 people online here, but I'm creating a members area now where I'm showing everybody different ways to make money. So not just stock photography. If you look here, I have like a section that says Adobe Stock photography. I actually have to change this, but all side hustles section. So this includes everything. I'm not going to mention what those things are, obviously, because this is a, free YouTube video, but we have an Adobe Stock section here. We have side hustle section. We have digital real estate, which just means that you own a piece of the internet, a website, something that produces you income, and I show you how to do that. Starting a YouTube channel, different kinds of tactics. And within those different kinds of tactics to make money, we teach different kinds of skills. Copywriting, right? That's one thing. Affiliate marketing, okay? These are different campuses, the YouTube campus, the affiliate marketing campus, things like that. So why am I showing you this? Just to illustrate the point that the truth is that making money is hard. We are in a tough world, guys, and nothing comes easy. And if something does come easy, take it as a blessing, as a gift, and never rest on your laurels. Today, you might be making $5,000 a month from Adobe Stock doing almost nothing, right? That's fine to say, but trust me, in a period of time that could all go away, whether your account gets hacked, whether your account gets deleted or banned, or heck, maybe the entire Adobe Stock portfolio is no longer accepting images anymore. They don't need you, right? Why am I saying all this? I'm trying to program your mind. I'm trying to teach you the reality of making money in this world. This world is a tough place to be in. We all know that. But the reality is that you have to anchor yourself in some sort of foundation, which is what? It's understanding that making money through this easy strategy right now of Adobe Stock is too easy. It's a glitch in the matrix. It does not make sense. And anything is too easy, it's not going to be around for a long time. That's number one. Number two, for all the people who are asking, oh, should I get started on it? Should I do it? If you're asking that question, it's a very high likelihood that you've had the opportunity many, many months ago to get started on something, but you just never did. So what you need to do is not think about when is it the right time to join or when is it the right time to do something. You have to think about, where am I making mistakes in my life and how can I improve myself? Because the strategy is not what's going to make money for you. It's the individual. The individual behind the strategy is what makes the money. If you look at Shopify, for example, 99% of all Shopify stores close down within 3 months. Why is there 1% that stay opened? Do you think they're just sitting there and losing money every month? Of course not. That 1% is profitable and they're making money. Within 2 months, 95% close down. These are not statistics that just, don't make sense, or they're magical or not understandable. It's very clear. The truth is that the successful people, right, in this world, not just on Shopify, not just Adobe Stock, not just in any other business, the successful people are the ones who commit to something fully. They don't need any outside influence of somebody encouraging them or providing motivation, and they dedicate themselves. All the resources are here for you. We have the Super Stock AI course. We have our members area, which not only includes stock photography content, but also other sources of business. I mean, you could see here, this is our chat here. I'm not going to show too much because, like I said, I don't want to expose other people's conversations in the chat. But you could see here, I put out a message earlier today where I made an update to one of our software tools, all kinds of different things like this. So anyways, the point here is that take advantage now of Adobe Stock. Okay, go make that money, because once again, it's a glitch in the matrix. But more importantly, don't let it hypnotize you, tranquilize you, if you will, into this deep sleep thinking that the whole world works like this, because it doesn't. The real world, in order for you to make money in the real world, because once again, this is not the real world, this is a glitch in the matrix, this doesn't usually happen. The real world is a difficult place. And usually anything I've succeeded with brute force. And that's the truth, whether it be athletics, whether it be, something physical, whether it be even making money online. It was through brute force. I had to take years of learning. And I even call myself a student till today. So that's not the point. The point is get on it, get active. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this doesn't insult anyone. I have no intention of doing that, but I'm just sharing my information. I'll talk to you guys later. All right? Peace out. Bye.